Did you know that one simple change to your morning coffee could completely transform your health? Most people drink coffee just for energy. But what if I told you that by adding one specific powder, you could unlock powerful benefits that go far beyond a caffeine boost? From improving your metabolism and balancing your gut to strengthening your immune system and even slowing aging. This tiny addition can do wonders inside your body. Science is finally catching up to what nature has known all along. That small, smart choices can spark big changes in your health. When we think about coffee, most people immediately picture energy, focus, and productivity. That comforting morning ritual that helps us wake up and face the day. But what if your daily cup of coffee could become something even more powerful? When you add a specific natural powder to it, something remarkable happens. Coffee itself is already loaded with antioxidants, compounds that help fight oxidative stress and protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. These free radicals are unstable molecules that can accelerate aging and trigger chronic inflammation, the root cause of many diseases. The powder we're talking about works synergistically with coffee's natural antioxidants, multiplying their effectiveness and deepening their impact inside your body. Science has shown that the right plant-based compounds can increase the activity of enzymes responsible for detoxification, strengthen your immune defense, and reduce the inflammatory signals that silently age your cells. Imagine your morning coffee not only waking up your brain but also bathing your cells in protection. The polyphenols and flavonoids in this powder amplify the protective effects of chlorogenic acid, one of coffee's most potent natural compounds. Together, they form a powerful defense network that shields your blood vessels, improves circulation, and supports the function of every organ system. The secret lies in how these natural antioxidants communicate with your cells. They don't just neutralize free radicals, they activate your body's own antioxidant genes. This is what scientists call hormesis, a process in which small doses of natural stressors strengthen your system over time. By combining coffee with this powder, you're essentially training your body to become more resilient. The effect is like turning on the body's internal repair switch every single morning. Your cells become better at handling stress, inflammation slows down, and your tissues start to repair more efficiently. Another fascinating aspect of this combination is how it impacts blood sugar stability. Coffee alone can sometimes cause a temporary spike in blood glucose for sensitive individuals. However, when blended with the right natural powder, the antioxidant compounds help regulate glucose absorption and insulin sensitivity. This not only helps prevent mid-morning energy crashes, but also reduces the long-term risk of metabolic imbalances. You're not just drinking coffee, you're creating a steady state of energy and focus that lasts for hours without the jittery side effects. Inflammation is another key area where this combination shines. Chronic inflammation is often invisible, you don't feel it immediately, but it contributes to fatigue, joint stiffness, brain fog, and accelerated aging. The natural compounds in this powder target inflammatory pathways like NF-κB and QOX2, which are often overactivated by modern diets and stress. By calming these pathways, your morning ritual becomes a form of cellular healing. Your arteries remain more flexible, your skin retains its glow, and your body feels lighter and more energized throughout the day. The benefits go even deeper at the mitochondrial level, the powerhouses of your cells. Research indicates that combining antioxidant-rich foods and compounds helps mitochondria produce energy more efficiently while reducing the production of harmful byproducts. Think of it as cleaning the engine while it's running. Over time, this means greater stamina, better endurance, and improved overall vitality. The energy you feel isn't just from caffeine anymore, it's a clean, sustained form of energy created by optimized cellular function. This natural powder also supports liver function, which plays a critical role in detoxification. Every time your body processes caffeine or environmental toxins, your liver is doing the heavy lifting. The antioxidants and bioactive compounds in the powder enhance liver enzyme activity, helping flush out impurities more efficiently. When your liver works better, Your skin looks clearer, your digestion improves, and your metabolism becomes more efficient. It's a ripple effect of benefits that all start from that single scoop added to your coffee cup. Another layer of protection comes from the powder's ability to stabilize lipids in the bloodstream. It reduces the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is one of the major contributors to arterial plaque buildup. By preventing this oxidation, your cardiovascular system stays healthier, blood flow improves, and your cells receive more oxygen and nutrients. You're literally supporting your heart every time you drink your upgraded coffee. What's most impressive is that these changes don't require drastic dietary overhauls or expensive supplements. It's a simple, sustainable, and enjoyable habit, one that transforms something you already love into a powerful daily health practice. Each sip becomes a small step toward protecting your body's most vital systems. You're nourishing your cells, improving circulation, calming inflammation, and setting the tone for the entire day. This isn't about replacing medicine or making exaggerated promises. It's about using science-backed nutrition to support your body's natural defense systems. Nature has given us the tools: antioxidants, polyphenols, and bioactive compounds. And when we use them wisely, even something as simple as coffee can become a healing ritual. The powder acts as a multiplier, taking what's already good for you and amplifying it. In a world where stress, processed foods, and pollution constantly attack our cells, this simple morning practice becomes a shield, one that protects, energizes, and rejuvenates from the inside out. When we talk about metabolism, most people imagine it as something that either works fast or slow, as if it's a fixed setting in the body. But the truth is, metabolism is deeply influenced by what you feed your body each day. When you add this specific natural powder to your coffee, you're not just enhancing flavor, you're unlocking a hidden mechanism that helps your body burn fuel more efficiently. Coffee already contains compounds like caffeine and chlorogenic acid that mildly stimulate metabolism. But this powder takes it several steps further by supporting gut health and improving the way your cells convert food into energy. It's a gentle yet powerful way to reset your metabolic rhythm each morning. The gut plays a central role in this process. Inside your digestive system lives a vast community of bacteria known as the gut microbiome, which directly influences metabolism, fat storage, and even how your brain perceives hunger. When the microbiome is imbalanced, often because of processed foods, stress, or lack of fiber, it can slow metabolism, increase inflammation, and trigger cravings. The natural fibers, prebiotics, and polyphenols in this powder act like nourishment for beneficial bacteria. As these bacteria thrive, they produce short-chain fatty acids that signal your body to burn fat more efficiently instead of storing it. This means every cup of your enhanced coffee becomes a gut-friendly metabolic booster. One of the most remarkable effects is how this powder helps stabilize blood sugar levels. After drinking regular coffee, some people experience a spike and drop in blood sugar, which leads to fatigue, irritability, and hunger soon after. The bioactive compounds in this powder help moderate glucose absorption from food, promoting steadier energy and fewer crashes. This is crucial for metabolism because frequent blood sugar swings signal your body to hold on to fat instead of burning it. By maintaining stability, your cells can use stored energy more effectively, leading to improved fat metabolism over time. It's not about dieting or restriction. It's about enhancing the natural efficiency of your body's systems. Caffeine alone can boost thermogenesis, the process by which your body burns calories to produce heat. But the synergy between caffeine and the phytochemicals in this powder creates a longer, cleaner metabolic lift. Instead of the sharp spike and crash of caffeine, you get a steady release of energy that feels natural and sustainable. It's like upgrading from a flickering flame to a stable, glowing fire. This sustained energy supports mental focus, physical performance, and endurance, helping you stay active and alert throughout the day without the mid-afternoon slump. Another major benefit lies in the powder's impact on liver metabolism. The liver is your body's primary metabolic organ. It processes nutrients, breaks down fats, and detoxifies harmful substances. Over time, poor diet and environmental stress can overwhelm the liver, slowing down metabolism. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in this powder protect liver cells from oxidative stress and improve enzyme activity, allowing for more efficient fat breakdown and toxin removal. As the liver works more smoothly, your entire metabolic system operates at a higher level, creating a feeling of lightness and renewed vitality. This combination of coffee and natural powder also influences hormonal balance, particularly hormones related to appetite and fat storage. Compounds within the powder can help regulate leptin and ghrelin, two hormones that tell your brain when to eat and when to stop. When these hormones are balanced, you naturally experience reduced cravings, better portion control, and improved satiety. It's a subtle but powerful effect that shifts your relationship with food from reactive to intuitive. Instead of constantly fighting hunger or fatigue, you begin to feel more in control of your energy and appetite. What's fascinating is that this metabolic boost doesn't just help with weight management. It also supports longevity. A well-functioning metabolism reduces the buildup of harmful compounds known as advanced glycation end products, which contribute to aging and cellular damage. By improving how your body processes energy, you slow down this internal wear and tear. Your cells operate more efficiently, your energy lasts longer, and your body maintains better balance overall. The gut benefits from this powder also extend to mood and mental health. The gut and brain are connected through a powerful communication pathway known as the gut-brain axis. When the gut microbiome is nourished and inflammation is low, the brain receives positive signals that improve clarity, focus, and mood. This means your morning coffee isn't just energizing your body, it's setting the tone for mental well-being throughout the day. You feel sharper, calmer, and more capable of handling stress. The combined metabolic and gut-enhancing effects create a ripple throughout your body. Improved digestion leads to better nutrient absorption, which means your cells get the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants they need to function optimally. Better nutrient delivery supports skin health, joint mobility, and immune defense. It's not an instant fix, but a gradual transformation, one that builds with every cup. Adding this powder to your coffee isn't about a quick boost, it's about creating a smarter, more efficient way for your body to generate energy. It's a fusion of ancient wisdom and modern science, using natural plant compounds to optimize how your body works from the inside out. Over time, you'll notice subtle but meaningful changes: steadier energy, fewer cravings, improved digestion, and a lighter, more vibrant feeling throughout the day. The secret lies in consistency, making this enhanced coffee part of your daily routine so that your metabolism, gut, and energy stay in perfect sync. The brain is one of the hungriest organs in the body, constantly demanding energy and nutrients to function at its best. When you add this natural powder to your coffee, you give your brain more than just a caffeine kick. You provide it with the nourishment and protection it needs to perform with clarity, focus, and endurance. Coffee already stimulates alertness by blocking adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes tiredness, but this powder enhances that effect by improving how neurons communicate, protecting brain cells from oxidative stress, and promoting long-term brain health. The result is sharper thinking, stronger memory, and mental energy that feels clean and sustainable. What makes this combination so powerful is its ability to fuel the brain without overstimulating it. Caffeine alone can sometimes cause jitteriness or anxiety because it stimulates the central nervous system. However, the bioactive compounds in this powder, rich in antioxidants, adaptogens, and brain-supporting nutrients, help smooth out caffeine's impact. They balance the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which are responsible for focus, motivation, and mood. This means you experience alertness without the crash, energy without tension, and concentration without feeling wired. The brain thrives on antioxidants because it is particularly vulnerable to oxidative damage due to its high oxygen usage. Free radicals can damage neurons, impair communication between brain cells, and accelerate cognitive decline over time. The powerful phytonutrients in this powder cross the blood-brain barrier, directly protecting neurons from these harmful effects. They neutralize oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and promote better circulation to the brain, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients flow efficiently. When blood flow improves, cognitive speed, reaction time, and creativity all get a measurable lift. Another key benefit lies in how this combination supports the brain's mitochondria, the energy factories within your neurons. As we age or experience stress, mitochondrial efficiency tends to drop, leading to mental fatigue and slower processing. The compounds in this powder help repair and strengthen mitochondrial function, allowing your brain cells to generate steady energy throughout the day. This translates into improved focus and endurance, whether you're working, studying, or simply trying to stay mentally sharp. It's not just about staying awake, it's about thinking better, processing faster, and maintaining clarity for longer periods. Beyond immediate focus, this mixture supports neurogenesis, the brain's ability to grow new neurons and strengthen neural connections. Certain plant compounds stimulate brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF, a protein essential for learning, memory, and mental adaptability. With regular use, you're not only enhancing short-term cognitive performance, but also investing in long-term brain resilience. You create an environment where your brain can continue to grow and adapt, even under stress or aging. This is one of the most exciting frontiers in nutrition and neuroscience. The realization that what we eat and drink can literally shape how our brains evolve. The adaptogenic properties of this powder also help regulate stress hormones like cortisol. When cortisol levels rise due to chronic stress, they can impair memory, disrupt sleep, and cause mental fog. By calming the body's stress response, this natural blend supports a stable, focused mind. It helps you stay clear-headed under pressure, improving not just productivity, but also emotional balance. Over time, your brain becomes more resilient to stressors, allowing you to remain calm, confident, and focused no matter what challenges arise. This combination also supports the gut-brain connection, a crucial relationship that affects mood, cognition, and overall mental well-being. The gut produces neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, and when your gut is healthy, your brain receives stronger positive signals. The prebiotic and anti-inflammatory compounds in this powder nourish beneficial gut bacteria, which in turn influence brain chemistry. The result is a natural lift in mood, improved focus, and reduced brain fog. It's an example of how true cognitive health begins in the gut and radiates upward to the brain. Over time, consistent use of this enhanced coffee helps strengthen memory and mental agility. The protective antioxidants reduce amyloid plaque buildup, which has been linked to neurodegenerative diseases. Improved circulation ensures that your brain receives a steady supply of oxygen and glucose, its main fuel sources. This means fewer moments of mental fatigue, sharper recall, and greater creative thinking. It's not a temporary fix, but a gradual transformation where the brain learns to operate at a higher level of clarity and efficiency. Even emotional well-being benefits from this daily habit. When your brain chemistry is balanced and your neurons are protected, you naturally feel more stable and positive. Mood swings lessen and motivation increases. Many people describe this experience as a sense of clean energy, a combination of calm alertness and mental brightness that carries through the entire day. It's the feeling of your mind working with you, not against you. This simple practice of adding a natural powder to your morning coffee becomes a form of brain training. With every cup, you're feeding your neurons, protecting your memory, and fortifying your focus. Instead of relying solely on caffeine to push through the day, you're giving your brain the raw materials it needs to thrive. It's a subtle shift that leads to profound results. Clearer thoughts, better moods, and a more vibrant mental state. The mind becomes not just awake but truly alive, ready to meet the day with clarity, creativity, and purpose.